Good morning, boys and girls. Good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. I hope you're having a great day. Looks like it's going to be a little gloomy outside, but maybe you could get outside before it rains, get some fresh air. But for right now, let's go ahead and get started with our math. Now, today's math's pretty straightforward, but I thought I'd go over a few things just in case you may have a question about it. And then if you have any further questions, make sure that your parents text me and we can Zoom and go over it. Okay, so let's go ahead and read this first. It says before I begin, oh my goodness, boys and girls, sorry. Today we're working on data and graphs, okay? And we did a little bit with graphs this year. It was pretty quick, so I think today's math lesson will be just fine. You guys will do great. Okay, so it says here, how many more students voted for dogs than fish and birds combined? Okay, so of course, I'm not going to tell you the answer. I'm not even going to get you started. I just want you guys to be able to do this on your own. I will, however, help you here. So as you can tell, we have a 0. Okay, this is where the bottom of the graph is. And then the first line here, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? So if you were to, let's say, count the dogs, you're going to have to count the dogs, right? Make sure that you really look at the graph and say, okay, what number is in between these two numbers? Okay, I'm not going to tell you the answer, but just make sure that you guys focus on where the dogs land. Okay? All right. So then, let's go to the next one. Okay. How many more students like Monday than Friday and Tuesday combined? Okay. So again, same kind of thing, but the graph looks a little bit different, where it's then counting by 50. Okay, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. So again, if you're in between those two numbers, really think about, okay, what number is that going to be? Okay, so for example, we have Friday here. What number is in between 50 and 75? Okay, what number is in between 200, and 250? What are we counting by? Okay. All right. If you guys need help, let me know. I just don't want to tell you the answer. Okay. So then on the next problem, how many more pumpkins were made in 200 and I think it's supposed to be 200 or 2017. I think there's a little bit of a typo there, guys. Oops, a daisy. Let me fix that for him. Okay, oh, hold on a minute. Then I make a mistake. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, 2017. Okay, so then we've got 2017, 2016. So make sure that you guys are looking at your key below here before counting those pumpkins, okay? Because the pumpkins, it says here, each pumpkin equals 4, or each little symbol here, each pumpkin, equals 4 pumpkins. Each half pumpkin equals 2. And as you can tell, you've got a few half pumpkins. So make sure that you're not counting by ones, because you're not counting by ones. Each pumpkin equals 4 pumpkins. Each little symbol equals 4 pumpkins. So be careful when counting these. Okay, sorry about that typo. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. So then let's look at the next one. The next one says, the table shows the results of a survey. Use the data to complete the bar graph below. Okay, so now here they're asking you to draw in your own bars, okay, your own bar graph. They give you the data here. Now it's your turn to then draw it here, okay? And you can make this fun, third graders. You guys can use your favorite crayon, your favorite marker, whatever you have at home to kind of brighten up the page a little bit. Okay, so for example, we have football. Football, as you can tell, is already done for you, where you have 4 votes for football. I would vote for that one for sure. Football is my favorite. Then we have soccer at 6. So then you're going to draw a bar graph that will then reach to 6. Okay, and then 5, again, be careful with 5, and 9, basketball for 9. Okay, so that's the end of today's math lesson. If you guys have any further questions, please make sure that your parents text me. We can Zoom. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thursday, And please make sure that you guys get on to Prodigy today. Posted I posted a lesson that has to do with graphing. So again, hop on Prodigy today. Even if you work on it for 10 minutes, that would be awesome. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.